Long time no update, everyone. And today is December 31, 2025. At ilang oras na lang, guys, ay New Year na! New Year na! Long time no update. The last time I updated to you is ano yun? Hindi na nga ako, guys, nag-update. Alam niyo naman, may mga priority sa buhay bukod sa asawa at anak. Asawa at anak. So, ngayon, guys, naghihiwa-hiwa ako, guys, ng bawang tsaka sibuyas. Pero, guys, balang araw, after 10 years, babalikan ko tong video na to and mas happy. Grabe naman talaga. Basta ganun, guys. Okay, I'll be back. Ay, bawal pala yan. Yung mga knife. I'll be back to love you again. Ito na ginagawa na ang manok. Mamaya naman ang baboy. Ganda ka dyan, Day. Guys, ang ating head chef for today. Hi, Mother. Insya na tayo, Mother. Akala ko, Mother, Graham. Ilalagay mo dyan, Mother, yung mangga. Tsaka
oo, dire ang mangga, kag ang gatas.
Did you know that evil eye is real?
No.
Anong sign ng mga evil eye? Alam mo yon kapag may nakaitim dito.
Sabi ko, soy sauce.
Saan?
Ano na ho?
Sa
Ang
Robinson.
chicken?
Dasiga, nabi ko, soy sauce ko.
Soy sauce! Yes, master!
Ako mo gakaon?
Alam niyo ba kung ano ang luto? Kung anong gagawin namin ngayon? Lang iba, kundi champurado! Tayong gumawa ng ano kay Mother.
One eternity later.
3 minutes before 2026! And this is the fifth. Hey, look at that man! Super, ito ba? Yes, andito na ang pinaka-paborito na lahat! Nag-isang anti-resita. O, Teo. 3, umuwi na ako dito kila ante and uminom kami ng mojito and nag-videoke. Pero time is super limited kasi we need to rush kasi it's 2:30 AM already and kasi umaga na ngayon. So later, mamayang 8, magsisimba na kami. So that's all. Happy New Year! It's currently 8:35. I mean, 8:38 na actually. And yung mass is 8:30. Late na talaga. Magsuksok. Magsusuot na ako na. As you can see. Hindi na ako nakapag-ayas ng too much. Wala na nga akong necklace because I forgot where I put it. Basta ganun, in-update ko lang kayo na cramming kami as of now.
Later.
Okay, tapos na po yung mask. And the plot twist, guys. After naming magsimba ng 8:30, may mass din pala sa chapel namin, which is 10 a.m. And kakatapos lang ng 8:30 na mass. And hindi ko alam kung sino magle-lecture doon kasi nga lector ako. So I'm sorry, Father. Kasi hindi naman kami na-inform, wala namang announcement na may mass na pala sa chapel namin. So yan lang. Hey everybody! Hello! I forgot to update you all yesterday. Yes, opo. January 2 ngayon. And the last, na-update ko is after ng mass. Yun lang. And bukas pala guys, we're going to secret. Hulaan nyo na lang.
Somebody to someone. Clock's working like Molly. Listen to the music, sing oh yeah, oh. Nobody you know. Somebody to someone.
Somebody call 911!
Oh, I wanna be somebody to someone. Oh, another.
Hey girl, your song.
Oh, I never had nobody and no road home. I wanna be some. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Thank you, Lord. Happy New Year! Thank you, Lord.
Happy New Year! Happy